Hello, dear viewers. I, Mohammad Sayyid Rahman, a TGT teacher in English of a reputed school in Bhagalpur. During this absolute lockdown situation, you may feel a little bit annoyed, frustrated, and irritated for not being allowed to lead your usual life. But it is an obvious fact that unless you are very caring to keep your physical health intact, there is a possibility of being affected more drastically than in the common cases. So, being conscious about your safety and security, you need to stay indoors. This lockdown is not a phase of useless time passing. Rather, you can use this time as a very productive time period as well. If you are having some creativity, if you are enthusiastic to acquire more knowledge, if you try to grow your fighting spirit, then you can use this time to store your all energy, all knowledge to be utilized in due course. It is my sheer expectation that this phase of travel will surely be over. May not be tomorrow, may not be in the end of the month, but it is certain it will be over. That's why I would like to urge you all to use this lockdown period to build up your abilities more. Don't feel frustrated, don't feel annoyed. Life is very important and it cannot be began afresh. Whatever we have got in this life, we will have to use it and accomplish all the tasks that you are supposed to do. We cannot escape as an escapist. We have to fight back with all our strength, mental and physical. Our mental strength will help us to strengthen our physical ability. We have been watching all the TV programs, we have been reading the newspapers and from the different other sources of media. The people, those who are very ignorant, they are careless and they are more vulnerable than the people those who are caring. One may say that if the doctors are so caring, why are they getting affected? I should say in this regard that the doctors are getting affected due to their duty sick. It is the prime duty. But we are not doctors. We are not engaged in any sort of prime duties. So we have no right to jump into the fire like the insects, which are generally attracted by the flames of fire and they die. Life is limited here on earth. That's why nothing to be scared about life. And if you are a true believer in God, if a true believer in destiny, you should remember that our Creator must have made certain how long we will all survive. But He has also emphasized on the point that He only supports and helps those people whosoever help themselves. God does not extend His helping hand directly from heaven. That's why it is our duty to listen to God even at these critical hours. We are supposed to live and live with hope. The lockdown has made our hope a little bit reduced. But if we keep our mental strength intact, surely we will regain our hope to build up our much more physical strength. We have been watching the data of the affected people as well as the number of deceased people in different countries whosoever were affected by COVID-19. But all of them did not die. Hardly a few, those who did not have the power to restrain this novel coronavirus, they only breathed last. That's why it is certain that we have to keep our spirit up. We cannot let everything down by being careless. And being a genuinely conscious being, it is our responsibility also to show our consciousness. Our merits will be reflected only when we will behave genuinely as a rational being. Don't get guided by any sort of egoistic feeling. Don't be stubborn. Don't be irrational in your approach. Think positively, think in a resolute manner, and also think about the outcomes of all your activities. A person generally faces all sort of adversities in life only due to his own fault. I do believe that we are the makers of our own destiny, and our activities only make us what we are. If we are good in our all sort of responsibilities, if we perform our accomplished task, then no doubt we will also do our best to reach our desired goal. May are feeling sad or feeling depressed or feeling irritated with your present lifestyle or living condition, you cannot find out any solution. You have to keep your spirit up. You have to live with coronavirus and you have to fight with coronavirus. Unless and until you have all your mental strength to accept this bitter truth, you cannot survive. We have to do this unitedly and we have to come out as victorious. I expect that this critical situation would be over very soon and we will overcome our trouble much earlier than we generally are expecting. Whatever the resources are available for you, use that that all those things. And if you don't get anything up to your expectation, don't feel at all annoyed with that. Live spiritedly, live joyfully, and make your life more promising by being engaged in creativity. Thank you.